Well, you know we don't have a car, but today we are test driving one that we might be looking into buying again. So I might be looking into an A3 again. I don't know. We're gonna test drive a lot of cars. So just stay tuned. Let's get it started up. Yes, sir. So let me give you a quick tour about this car. It has some bolt-on. Obviously you guys seen it in some videos. It has massive flame. I don't know how, but it just shoot some massive flame. The fitment you know is good. So these are 20 by 9, so that's actually a pretty good fitment for the A3 S3 model. Even the RS3, so that's actually a pretty good fitment. It's like right on the edge, so you can go with that for your A3 S3. A little tip right there. Full bolt-on, like I said before, shoot massive flame. We're gonna see that in a minute. And it also has a nice pull to it. And this thing might be getting a turbo upgrade, IS38. So that's something that's coming up in a few weeks, I must say. Listen, we're gonna switch to the POV soon. Testing out some setting with the GoPro. So if the video doesn't come out as good, maybe that's why. I'll adjust the setting more, but I'm pretty sure it's good. So we made a quick stop on the bank. Oh. Let me turn the window up. So my friend is going to go, remember this is an A3 with an IS20. So my friend is thinking about going IS38. The only thing he need right now is the IS38. That's the only thing he need. I'm pretty sure he bought like almost everything, like from coil packs and all the little things that you kind of forget about, but they're really important. So before you go IS38 on any car, well, not on any car, like on an A3 or like GTI, just make sure you guys upgrade part to like the S3 parts or the RS3 parts. It's just better. So one question that I'm gonna get: why am I downgrading? Well, it's not really downgrading. I just like the car. You know, if I like the car again, maybe I'll buy it. It's not 100%. I'm just testing a lot of car in general. Maybe this will be the first car that I test in a post on YouTube. But yeah, I'm testing a lot of cars actually. So I don't know. Right now I have three cars that I'm looking at that I'm pretty excited about. But if I'm gonna buy one of those three, my mind can change in a couple months. Remember, I'm gonna be without a car for like 3 months. That's my goal, because I want to do some stuff before I buy a car. Before I buy another car. So yeah, that's my goal. Three months without a car. On those 3 months, I'm gonna be posting a video like regular, maybe once a week or more. I'll try to post more than once a week, but it's kind of hard because I don't have a car, first of all. But I'm gonna be testing a lot of cars, so that will make for it. So don't worry, I got content for you guys. You get used to the power real quick. That's why he's upgrading to IS38. This car is fully packed. This car looked nice. This car sit good. It has everything. So he just want more power. He doesn't want to do anything cosmetic yet. I'm gonna say this: if you guys are looking to get an A3, definitely go for it. It's 100% worth it. And you can get crazy gain on power with just some bolt-on. So you know that's not even expensive. So yes, definitely go for it if you guys are on the sideline of an A3, S3, whatever you're looking for, RS3. Definitely go for it. This car just looks so good. Like all you gotta do to it is some minor things, like wheels. Definitely say that because of this car, just because this car just looked nice. take off traction control off. I'm pretty sure we shot some flame. I heard you were on the sideline for an A3. Definitely buy it. Definitely got scared. What was that? What was that? This is so fun. Listening to the I thought it was waving at me. I'm like, what? Who was that? That was funny. That was funny. Guys, just listen and appreciate the whistle sound. Listen to the whistle. Just listen to it. Oh, we definitely catch some air there. So you know what this video is about, right? Let me tell you, if you don't know. So I'm testing out a lot of cars. The A3 happened to be one of them. You know I used to have an A3, right?
Exactly.
What would you think if I buy another A3?
I don't know.
Yeah, you said
no, I like the idea. Like I just don't like the A3 without paddle shifters.
Okay.
Like the S line, I like some of them bring it, but they're hard to find, and they're more expensive.
True that. I did like the paddle shifter. Yeah, I mean, you know, I'm just going back to the cars, you know, and the A3 is a fun car, you know that.
Exactly. You just put another S38.
Yeah.
IS38.
Go IS38 right away. Have an S3 right there. No, but I'm being dead honest. What would you think? What would you say?
Not a white one again.
Huh?
Not a white one again.
Not a white one. Okay. So if I get another like, A3,
bro, like the gray ones, bro.
Gray one or
yeah, like and then not this color, bro. The gray, like the like the natural gray.
And I don't know.
With some gold rims.
I don't know about that. But yeah, Kevin, what car you think we're gonna test drive next? What car you want me to look at before I buy any car? You know, you want me to tell you something that nobody knows until I upload this video? I was looking at a Q50.
Really?
Yeah, it's
you know I was gonna say Q50, right?
I know you were gonna say Q50. But I was
not
looking,
in that. Not a simple one. The S. Buy the S, bro.
it's the red sport. I was looking at the red sport.
Yeah. Don't do the simple. I don't believe we can get that. It gives you the same power, bro. I don't believe in that.
Listen, I'm telling you. I was looking at a Q50 red sport.
But
it was good. It has a lot of mods, and I'm really thinking about buying it. I'm dead ass, yeah.
Dead ass?
Dead ass, yeah.
And how many? How much?
I don't know. I'm not gonna discuss this.
What does it have?
I don't know if I don't know if I'm gonna buy it because I really want to. I really don't want a car. I really want to be without a car for like at least 3 months. It hasn't even been a week, and I'm already looking at a car. So I don't know. It doesn't have anything. But yeah, let's talk about the A3. We got a lot to talk about this. Will you recommend? I recommend this car for like anybody that's like on the sideline of like buying a A3 S3. I would recommend it. I'll definitely recommend it. I highly recommend it because it's a fun car. You know, you get used to the power quick, but it's still a fun car overall.
Yeah.
Will you say the same?
It is.
I'm telling you guys, the A3 just hit different.